Hi everyone, I'm Cameron, and the product review that I am doing today is on the Fitbit Versa 4. Um, when I was looking for like a smartwatch, I was really looking for something that I could track easily with the app, and I also wanted a long battery life because I literally wear it the all day long. I use it for an alarm clock. I use it The only time I do not have my watch on is when I take a shower. That's the only time. So, battery life was the most important part to me. And so I compared the Fitbit to the Apple Watch. And the Apple Watch battery life lasts around like maybe 18 plus hours, maybe. So, I didn't go with the Apple Watch. And the only thing that I can't do with my Fitbit that I could do with like an Apple Watch is I cannot respond to a text message. That's the only thing I can't do because I have an iPhone. If I had an Android, then I would have like pre-selected responses that I could respond with on my Fitbit. But since I have an iPhone, the iPhone won't let you respond to a text message, but I can still answer my phone calls if my phone is like near me. And the Fitbit battery lasts probably 6 days easily. I usually just like charge it for just like, the 30 minutes or whatever while I'm getting ready. And I have hardly ever had it die on me. The cost difference as well. The Fitbit costs $200 compared to the starting price for the um, Apple Watch is from $400 to like $700. So that was also a big determining factor for me too, was the cost. You can get the Fitbit in quite a few different colors. You can get this like black and graphite color. You can get a cute blue one and silver. You can get the pink and the gold, or you can get the gold and maroon. So right when you open the app, it's super easy to use. It gives you your step count and then tell you how many calories you burned, how far you've gone, your zone minutes or how many exercise minutes you've gotten. The sleep is super important to me as a feature because I wanted to know how good of sleep I was getting. And you can like go in here, you can see like how many awake minutes you were, how many minutes it was that you were like in deep sleep. So I really like this feature of it. The one I probably use the most though is I like to know, I track how many macros I get for the day. And so I will put in my macros and it literally will give you how many carbs, fats, proteins you had for the day. And so there's a certain amount that I'm trying to hit. That's nice to have. My calorie intake goal. So that's super important to me. So the pros for me for the watch was the cost, the battery life. The ease of the app is a big pro for me. One of the cons I would probably have is the fact that I can't answer my text messages. So, I mean, that is like one con that I may have about it. But other than that, really, I feel like I pretty much got the exact same thing as what you could get in an Apple Watch for the most part, for a lot less money and for the battery life to last longer. So if you were debating on between going with an iPhone or with an Apple Watch compared to a Fitbit, I would lean more towards a Fitbit.